Hey gang, what's good? It's your girl Queen Glitterati, and today I am going to be trying to see whether or not this purple glue that goes on purple and dries clear by Elmer's will slime for me. I'm not quite sure, but I mean, come on. Aren't you tempted? Don't you want to know? Aren't you curious? Let's see. So I started this one off just like I would start anyone off. I added some glue. I put some glitter in there because I mean, look how beautiful that looks. I just love how amazing that glitter looks when it was mixed into that purple. It looks so good that I was like, just put the whole bag in there. Like, what are you being stingy for? Put that bag in there. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Drop that bag. So, yeah, anyway. I mixed it. After I did the glitter, I added some soap in because I love using some foam and hand soap and my clear slimes. And after I did that, I just mixed that in just to get a good consistency. Of course, after that, I went in with my activator to activate this bad boy to see what kind of slime it was going to produce for me. And so I'm mixing and I'm mixing and I'm mixing and I'm adding more because it's like nothing is happening. And so I'm mixing and I'm mixing and I'm mixing some more and nothing is happening. OMG. Like, will you slime already? It's like, no, I don't want to slime. I'm not sliming. Like, who told you to try to make some slime with this glue? Nobody. So therefore, I'm not sliming. So then I had a bright idea. I said, I'm going to add some glue because you're going to slime for me whether or not you want to or not. And yeah, I added the glue in and it immediately started turning over. Of course it did because it was so much activator in there. It was like, why wouldn't it slime? So yeah, I added some glue, but oh my gosh, this was like the worst. Like, it just was so sticky but slimy at the same time. But like sticky, not like the regular sticky, like the sticky, but then it was like rough like paper, like I can just like tear through it. I don't know how to explain this besides it was just a very horrible and unsatisfying feeling in my hand. And I tried my hardest to just make this into something good, but it was like, no, you ain't doing it. After a while, I finally got it through my head that it was not going to come out any better than what I had already achieved. And it was like, come on, what can I do? Oh, just leave it. Let's sit it in a bowl and let's let it sit for some days because this ain't happening. I wanted to give you guys just a little ASMR before, we see the results of what happened after I let this slime, or shall I say, I don't know what to call this, sit for 3 days. Here is the moment that we all have been waiting for. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is going on? Like, why? No. Why is it just like straight glue under this top layer? I don't know. I don't get it. it's a horrible, hot, a mess. Excuse my language. But it is. And it's just like, come on. I did all of this. I let it sit and I still get these results. As you can see, it came out clear like it promised. It wasn't dry, but it still came out clear. So, I mean, okay. Thank you. But yeah, this was just a very horrible day for me, you know. Not satisfied. And, you know, I have this stuff in my hand that's just tearing apart and just making me so upset. Yeah, here's our results. Epic fail. There you have it. Okay, guys, thank you for hanging with me and, you know, seeing this hot mess. Uh, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and continue to think positive, spread kindness, and share lots and lots of love. I love you guys as always, and I will see you soon. Bye. 'Cause you know that glitter